Hi guys, Barb here with your weekly Wednesday updates, and I do sound sickly. I am ill. Both of my kids have been ill. They gave me their sickness, which, don't you just love it when kids do that? So I myself am ill. I have been down for the count for the last day and a half, but today, you know, there's just work that's got to be done. So here we are. Dayquil is my new best friend. All right, on the weekly updates. They have let us know that the butterfly elements are on low inventory. That's a celebration choice that you and your customers can choose for a $50 order. And they are running low. They do not expect them to last throughout the rest of celebration. So if that's something you or your customers are interested in, please get your orders in early so you can be sure to get that item. As we know, the lovely lipstick and grapefruit grow foil sheets have sold out. They are no longer available. And the precious parcel card kit, I believe, is also on that same low inventory list. So let your customers know that those items will not be available probably for the end of celebration. Speaking of those items, the organdy ribbon pack is supposed to be back in stock on March 4th. If that date holds up, that would be wonderful. They are going to have a limited supply available, so if that is something you have been waiting for, your customers have been waiting for, make sure to let them know to get their orders in right away so that they can get that item before it does sell out, because I'm pretty sure that it's going to. Okay, using the 30-year logo, Stampin' Up! Would like us to discontinue using that, so if any of you have that in your social media, please remove it. Since the 30-year anniversary year was 2018, we're in 2019 now. They don't want us using that 30-year logo anymore. So if any of you are, just go ahead and remove it. Let's see. They have an update to the advertising and internet policies. Previously, if you wanted to boost a post on Facebook, you needed to get approval from demonstrator support to do that. You no longer have to get approval. If you want to boost a post on Facebook and pay that fee, you can just go ahead and do that. The Succeed Weekly email this week focuses on the Lasting Lily stamp set, which is a celebration item for a $100 order. And as you know, the coordinating framelits will be available to customers March 1st. We as demonstrators can order those right now if you want. And I think it's going to be a really big seller. All of those coordinating framelits, I think, are just going to be great sellers for us. So let's go ahead and get those things promoted. That was all that was new for this week. Last week, they did say there was a little bit of a change to some of their Making a Difference programs, and you can read about that if you want. Paper Pumpkin is turning 6 years old, which is super exciting. So that means with the March kit, we are going to get an extra free stamp set. So anybody who's a subscriber as of March 10th, when they do the run, will get that extra stamp set in their kit that will start shipping out on March 11th. So that's very exciting. The Simple Stamping Challenge for February is birthday themed, and we have the supplies that you can use are stamps, ink, and paper. And they are letting you use a layer of Designer Series paper also. So when you do post those items, be sure to tag them with the hashtag Simple Stamping, and you may be chosen to win something free from Stampin' Up! If they see your creation online. So the recruiting webinar series, they did start talking about that in the December 18th weekly updates. And you can find the recorded ones that have already happened and have been recorded. You can find those under Stampin' University webinar collections. You can read about different demonstrators around the globe and their recruiting practices. So that's very helpful if you are trying to start your business and get some recruits under you. These gals have some great tips, so do be sure to check that out. And that's all for the updates. I hope you guys are having a great celebration, that you're selling lots, that you're recruiting lots of people, adding them to our teams. I know how exciting that is for all of us. So keep up the good work. And if any of you have any questions or comments, please leave them below this video, and Dina, Kelly, and I will help answer them for you. So have a great day, you guys.